how to comment photo on TikTok. So we're going to open up our TikTok, and once you open up your TikTok, what you're going to be doing over here is you're simply going to go over to any post in your TikTok, and once you go to any random post, you're going to go and comment. And once you are going to in any comments, now it doesn't necessarily have to be a comment on any other post. You can go to even comment on your post, like, if you know if someone comments on your post, you can go ahead and reply to that. But specifically, as you can see, you can reply with videos, you can reply with photos. So what you can do is obviously click on that. And once you're over here, if you want to reply with any picture or video, stay on camera and you're going to switch to photo. And once you switch to photo, just take a photo of anything. And once you take a photo that will reply to that comment in the photo form, that's pretty much about it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.